Coffee is certainly the most commonly consumed drink throughout the whole world. We prepare coffee every day. When we wake up in the morning, we drink a cup of coffee. Yet, we throw away what is left on the bottom of the cup, and it is probably the biggest mistake we can do. Namely, it seems that this black gold is invaluable. All you need to do is to spread it onto backing paper, or on a flat plate and allow drying. Then, it is ready for use. Coffee ground can be used in a number of ways, and we reveal 14 of them. Cellulite remedy. You have probably noticed that most of the cellulite products you buy predominantly include caffeine. Therefore, you can use some oil and coffee grounds to create a much cheaper and similarly effective alternative to combat cellulite, instead of buying an expensive cream. So, coffee has firming effects of the skin, which can also simultaneously provide appealing effect. Remarkable. Hair. Nutrient-rich coffee grounds can energize your hair and make it radiant. It is extremely effective, but note that this only works for dark hair types. Against bags under the eyes. The remarkable coffee will not only wake you up, but it will also help you not look exhausted. The skin under the eyes can be completely restored by the mixture of coffee grounds and a little olive oil. Those who own a coffee pad machine can fully enjoy its benefits, as the used coffee pads are a perfect fit for the natural eye shape. In the fridge. Some people regularly store strong-smelling food in the fridge, which makes it reek and need to be cleaned. In order to neutralize the odors and make the contents of the fridge even more appetizing, place a cup of coffee grounds in the fridge. Grill rust. Nobody wants to clean the sticky and smelly barbecue after its use. However, now you will learn that you can easily make it shine again if you use coffee. Put some coffee grounds on a sponge and rub the grill with it. Then finally rinse it off with warm water. Abrasive. You can also use coffee as a chemical-free cleaner, as its small grains function as a detergent for cleaning pots, pans and surfaces. Moreover, you will also save money on extra cleaning products. Against ants. Coffee can also help you with ants. Its smell is so strong that the ant tracks get blurred, and they cannot find their way through your beets to wreak havoc. Against fleas. If your dog is inflicted with fleas, you should not panic. Instead, use the moist coffee grounds and massage it into the dog's fur and skin. Coffee will naturally relieve the dog of fleas and it will leave a pleasant smell. Against wasps. It will not work if you just lay the powder somewhere. Instead, place coffee grounds in a fire-safe jar and light it with a match, which will result in steam condensation. This dispels even the most stubborn wasps in seconds. They have a sniffly reaction to the smell of coffee ground. Against snails. Snails hate coffee. If you want to protect your beets, simply spread some coffee grounds across the soil. Snails hate coffee, so you can be sure that it will eliminate them. Cat fright. Coffee can also help those who are annoyed by stray cats. Simply spread some coffee grounds around your house, and it will create an invisible barrier. The cats will be held at a distance. Compost. Although it initially sounds like a disgusting and useless information, but you need to know that worms love coffee grounds. If you put coffee grounds in the compost, you can expect many earthworms, which will then colonize in droves. Thus, you will ensure a much higher production. Fertilizer. Coffee grounds can be excellent as a fertilizer. It is unbelievably rich in nutrients and among others, it contains nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, and as such, it helps the plants to grow. Therefore, coffee lovers now have 14 more reasons to enjoy another cup.